Guys, I'm back in Hamza Discovery. Today I'm gonna tell you about the weather. Okay, today I'm gonna be telling you about the weather. Today is actually isolated thunderstorms in Regina. So today is Monday, September 19. So today is isolated thunderstorms. I'm gonna be showing you. Wait a second. Bye. Yeah. So we're back in Mobizin. Okay, I'm gonna be turning on search. What is the temperature in Regina? But it is saying 50% isolated thunderstorms. Like at 3 p.m. it's 40% isolated thunderstorms. 4 p.m. 30% isolated thunderstorms. And also at 5 p.m. there is 50% showers. Yeah. So bye guys. And also isolated thunderstorms leave much damage of severity. There is 50% chance of severe thunderstorm watches coming. So take care.